Hi everyone, so this is the KEVIN.MURPHY Easy Rider. This is another one of our top sellers. It's really good for anybody who suffers with the hair frizzen and they need to get that sort of control and a really high shine. So if you have a little look, it's a cream consistency. I'll show you a little bit. So it's a light cream. And it goes a really long way. So you need literally a tiny bit. And what you do, you can just rub it into your fingertips like this. And you can put it on wet or dry. If you put it on wet, you just put it on and then blow dry it in. Or put it on dry the next day. Or after you've just blow dried it. And it'll really give you a sleeker control on those ends. And because you only need such a small amount, a tub of that would last you absolutely ages. And there you go. We have the Easy Rider.